First ball possession for Barangay Santiago. Here's Austin with a kick out to Mike. Cruz coming up on his right. Leo with a baseline shot. And his first shot, he missed. Valley for play, that is his first rebound. Here we go. Here's John Chalky. Off to do now. Pass it off the corner. First try for three. Now. Rebound this time para Leo. Here's Austin Jacob with a quick cross. Austin sees an opening. Kicks it out off to Catarata. Mike Cruz at the middle. 59 shot. With a top iron. And Ferrer gets it off the rebound. Secure that line for Christian. Looking for a teammate. Pass it off the corner. Bigyan bola para Laguna. Here's Charles. Other side to Lee. This time. James Lompolan. His first 3 points during the game 1. He had 4 3-points out of that ball game. This time getting out the first 1 out of 12 beyond the arc. Here's Catarata at the baseline. Leo on the shot clock. Bigyan bola para kay Mark. Villanueva forcing that drive. Leo catch it at the middle. Shot is good. Barangay Navarro. That was a good shot. It was open. On the turnover that time, Sangin out, gives it out back to Tumbalan. Ferrer at the corner. Bruno hesitates. Shot up down to 10. 3-1 scores. Austin haven't taken a shot yet. Double toss, looking the screen. He was blocked for 3. Austin Jacob, 3! Permanente Navarro, Villanueva, good throw. First goal. First 2 points for Christian. Here's Lance. Miranda, bigyan bola para kay Mike. Cruz, back to Austin. Here's Jacob on the same spot. He attacks the lane, the ball fake, cross court. Shot back down to 8. Miranda takes a shot. Lance Miranda. Here's Austin. He spots up. That's way off. Steal. Here's Jacob with your attack. That's the end. Shot stop. Easy move. Saving the basketball. Austin by open Leo. Here's Austin inside again. Leo. Here's Miranda again for 3. In and out. Ball tap out. Nothing to bola. And then Becca picks it up off the mic. Back to Austin. Shot clock down to 5. Jacob. Oh, look at that! Here's Jacob. Mark. Villanueva back to Austin. Baseline jumper. In and out. Rebound this time. Villanueva, bonus shot, 3-point play. Substitution, 2 players, 6. Here's Lance Miranda. We're back on the ball game. 2 minutes, 40 seconds remaining. Mike Cruz looking for a teammate. Hands it off back to Austin. Jacobs spots up for 3. Off the timeout, misses. The second unit of Barangay Navarro stepping out. Rodrigo. Austin. Here's Leo. Nice hands. Too strong. Ramirez gets it. Looks for a teammate. Balik ang bola para kay Christian. Kicks it on down the right. Back on top of the knee to Rodrigo. 2 minutes, 10 on the shot clock. Kicks it out. Baseline, inside. Ramirez backing up. Here's Mark, baseline. 7 points. Here. Here's Austin with a cross, loses it. Gets it again, he spots up. No! Look at the effort there, that time. Christian. Here's Lance taking a quick step, not that time. Look at Taylor trying to keep the ball alive. And Ferrer secures the board. Here's Paglinawan. Patrick back to Christian. Ferrer again. And that's an easy goal for Canada. Under a minute remaining, 40 seconds remaining. Austin this time, sky high. The lefty layup, no. Here's Rodrigo trying to create space. And he steps up. Agasa back to Christian. Ferrer looks for a teammate. 15 on the shot clock. Here's Parin popping up. And step out of it. Here's Austin. They're trying to take the last shot. 0.1 second. Shot clock differential between the game clock. Here's Austin. Wants to go for an isolation. Takes on the quick step on the right. He bombs, attacks. The kick out. And he steps out of bounds. That's a pass ball. Not yet. He's been hurting them all throughout in the first quarter. Here's Austin with 8 points in that first. Using that cross. Step back 3-point shot. Here's Numpalan. Palakpakan po natin ang ating Team Gentry sa pangunguna po ni Mayor John Ferrer at ang buong team ng ating Team Gentry. This is the second quarter of our game number 3 years dance. Miranda, same spot at the middle. We're really shooting shots at the middle all throughout this first half. This is that time. Here's Kunal. Kicks it off. Tutok Balan. Drives up. Parin hands. Here's Austin Jacob with 16 points. He wants to attack. It's a quick set. Spots up. There's a foul. There's Austin Jacob at the free throw line. First free throw missed. There's Mike Lewis. Looking for a teammate, and on the shot clock. Didn't know where to go. Aris takes up the 3. Now this is that time. 16 points, 4 rebounds, 4 steals. So far, look at that cross. Pops up again. 5 3. Look at this ball game so far. There's Mike Bruce. Who's attacking in Darren, forcing the shot, but Bill gets a rebound. Here's Anjovi, off to Darren, side step, raise it up, too strong. The follow-up shot, coming from the weak side. His first 2 points of the ball game. Papasa labing isang kalabangan ng Barangay Santiago. Here's Mark, it's for teammate. It's off to Mike. It's it up, and there's a deflection for shot. Here's Mark Villanueva. 5 minutes remaining. 5 to shoot. Hands it up to Mark. Back to Austin. And Jacob having a great second quarter. 30 points in the ball. Look at that. That's it up. Jacob handles. Austin attacks. Hands it up. Leo fades away. Christian secures the rebound. There's still Manal, loses it. Catarata gets the steal. Back to Lance. Run over the cross. Off to Mike. Back to Austin. Don't leave this guy open. And Franz Helms play. That is incredible by during our first half. Here's Nance, back to Mike Cruz. Back to Austin. Jacob using the double screen, spots up for three. In the front iron. Christian gets the rebound. Rodrigo for three. Answers back. The second unit of Barangay Navarro stepping up in the small game. The biggest lead was 13. Now down to 5. Here's Austin. Using the screen. Shot clock down to 10. There's a foul. Nearly a foul that time. Oh, both teams probably shooting to beat the line. There's Mark to Leo Catarata. All of that big guy. There's Austin with a quick step, tight defense, a steal. That's a foul. Pushing back bottom player number 9. Here's Mike Cruz off the double screen. Austin runs up again. It's a short. Leo picks up the rebound. The finger roll of the last dog, but then batting for the rebound. Look at David keeping the ball alive. 5 inside. David quick shot. Here's Austin at the basket of Leo Cataratas. 10 points now, all coming from the paint. Loses momentarily, kicks it off. Austin hesitates, he fires. Lance takes it off, and there's a foul. Here's Austin, takes it off back to Mike Cruz. To Leo. It's nothing at the back, batting for the loose ball. Shot clock down to single digit. Mark Villanova. At the middle, moving without the basketball. Answer from Barangay Santiago. Here's Nance. Back to Mike. Here's Cruz. Balikan bola para kay Austin. Jacob back to Leo. Catarata. Good ball movement. All players touching up the basketball. Here's Mark inside. Miranda for a quick shot. Runs out. JJ Parin. Getting that board. And here's Christian. Barangay Navarro trying to take the lead with this possession. Can they take on this lead? Here's Rodrigo, McKevin on the slab, deflected by Lance, Leon was in position again. There's Miranda, bounce pass, Austin, touch passes. Lance, Miranda. Number Austin, there's Nico, Tomar, and that is a foul. Austin going inside. Back to Mike Cruz, puts it up. There's a foul. 10 points off the bench, 2 steals for McKevin. A tight defense, and that is a turnover. Look at the defense is mentioned. From their teams, corner shot, three below, no! Austin gets a rebound. Off the mark, Villanova hands, points in the ballgame with 12 points. Here's Austin, 25 points in the ballgame. There's a holding foul penalty situation for both teams. Here's Mark Villanueva. Takes it out on the right side. Back to Aris. Yabut loses it. Back to Mark Villanueva with a great end of that third. Here's Aris. Hesitates. Over Darren. Jacobs cuts up. Here's Mark Villanueva with handoff. Wala pa rin kay Austin. 29 points. He bombs off the pass. Here's Austin with 3 defenders. Steps on the break back to Mark. To Lance, Miranda, Figueroa. There's an air ball. Extra pass. The spin, the shot. Here's Mark, side step. 5 minutes and a half remaining, 9-point game. Here's Mark with 17 points. And on the shot clock, Aris Portray with 9 short. Kevin gets a rebound. He attacks a lay-in, forcing that layup. Fearless foul for Kevin. Points in the ball game for Rodrigo. Nabasag ito ang Kalamangan. 5 minutes remaining. In the entire ball game with the defense and offense, the kick out. There's a foul. At the free throw line. Here's Bags, hands it off to Austin. 33 points, side step. There is a difference in the ball game. 30. 18 points for Mark. 5 steals. Darren gets away. The shot clock. Here's Austin cross over Darren. The kick out, layup kicks. Clear the shot clock. Nowhere to go. Fakes away. No. Rebound goes to Austin. What the effort that time from Miranda. It's a foul. Here's Austin Jacob. 34 points in the ball game. 7 assists. 4 rebounds. 7 steals. 35 points. shot is good. 90-86 with 18.2 seconds remaining. We make it a 2-point possession game. Alcantara with a second free throw. Misses. Look at this play. Here's Darren. Kicks it off. Off the crease. 9.6 seconds. Pass it off. Here's James. Force a three. No. They tap out. As he gets a rebound.